This is one of the chunkier kits.
Chunkamunka. It's one of my favorites.
Really good value.
It's one of my favorites, the old F4J.
Is it?
Yep.
This is a Diamondbacks livery.
Diamondbacks livery. Tell me about the Diamondbacks, Beach.
Well, they've got diamonds in their livery. That's all I know.
Sounds American.
Doesn't it?
Are they Americans?
Yes. Yes. This will be a carrier-based aircraft.
Sounds like a backup singer for a
See
band.
that? It's got diamond on its back.
Lady Gaga and the Diamondbacks.
Yeah. If you think about it long enough. Yeah. But this is different.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a machine of war.
It is.
Probably.
And the Phantoms were around.
Phantoms.
Yep. The F4s are known as Phantoms, and they were being developed before the Vietnam War and used during the Vietnam War. And they were developed heavily during the Vietnam War to a point where they got air superiority. So they're very good aircraft.
Probably a bit old now.
They're a bit old now, but they have very interesting shapes. They don't look that streamlined. You look at the shapes of the wings. It's got that, what do you call that? That would be anhedral rear stabilizer.
Anhedral rear stabilizer. I've never heard those words uttered from your mouth.
Haven't you?
No.
It's not dihedral.
I'm aroused.
Oh, yeah, now.
A little bit.
I better calm down there.
Whew.
Yeah, these angles here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is dihedral. I'm pretty sure that's anhedral. It's going the other way.
Getting a geometry lesson.
These are the points where the wings can be folded, so you can fit more aircraft inside the hangar of the aircraft carrier.
So the Japanese are first to do that?
What, 40-40s? No, I don't think so.
Like origami?
Don't think so. Although they did do it. I mean, the American aircraft were 40-40, and the Germans were as well.
The Corsair was the Corsair 40-40?
Corsair was 40-40?
Yeah.
Yeah. Corsair 40 around here.
That looks it.
Yeah. And the wings folded up, they almost touched in the middle.
Really?
Yep.
Like clapping, like a star jump.
Yeah. You wouldn't see it. You wouldn't even want to see it do that while it's flying.
You haven't seen me fly.
Am I? There's your big Diamondback right there.
There you go.
All right, let's have a look inside.
Right.
All right, so you can see how thick this box is.
Jump in.
It's massive.
Get in that box.
Pretty massive. Let me move that out of the way.
Tear in that box. Get in there.
This has got cartograph decals too.
No.
Yeah,
See, they've been busy.
Yeah, see.
How big's the factory?
I don't know. Must be the size of a big house. There's a fuselage.
There's the top part.
Yeah, and being a top part is sort of good because traditionally aircraft used to be made in halves down the centre. But because of the design of
they would have been harder to glue together, surely.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Then you have to clean off all these bits. That's nice, isn't it? So there's one big injecting moulding part there, which you just clip off, and then a cap just goes over the top.
What else have you got?
Lots of bits for engine nozzles for the back.
Oh, I do love a jet.
Big bits here. It's actually a couple of noses. Not too sure why. They're giving you options there.
Because you could do it in like a landing or a taking off pose.
Oh, really? You think so?
Yeah, well, it would have like pointed up or down, no, so they could see where they're going.
Well, like a Concorde?
Yeah.
I think it was different to that.
Why?
I don't know. But there's bombs and such. And you got pilots.
Half a pilot.
Oh, there's two pilots in there. There's not many kits that come with pilots anymore. And you've got...
Well, because they're all drones.
Tanks.
When are we going to get model kits of drones?
There are. We've already got model kits of drones.
There you go.
And there's Sidewinders, Sparrows,
how do you know that?
air missiles. Hey?
How do you know that?
I don't know. I just know.
I love that you know.
And here...
You're just a bloke that knows things.
I'm not too sure if that's actually the gun pod.
It's not a submarine.
Oh, there's another figure there, just standing. Yeah, nice, eh?
He's the deckhand.
A deckhand.
Yep.
He's handing the deck. Got the wing edges. It's pretty big, isn't it?
Ah, so you can do it folded.
You can do it folded. And a huge sheet of decals.
When you say huge, that is massive.
Isn't it? Isn't it big?
It's bigger than your head.
Well, that's going on the back. So that's going across here, right? It's going over there. Yeah. Look at all these little small stencils.
Tiny.
They're the things that add so much more depth to it. And you don't quite notice them from far away, but you see them all.
And you bet that they're going to look amazing once they're all on. Do you have to cut these out?
You need to cut them out individually. And you can see how good they are because when you look at it at sharp angles, you can't really see the carrier film.
Yes.
And that's the great thing about them.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because otherwise, if you clear them, you still see the carrier film. It still looks like a toy afterwards. But these, after you clear them, they look like actual painted on stencils.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. So that's an Academy.
Academy.
Flips around. F4J.